empires above, ever standing here only because you move a mountain. Because what's to fall with the power of God, you perform miracles. There is nothing that's impossible. Standing here only because you move a mountain. Because what's to fall with the power of God, you perform miracles. There is nothing that's impossible. And you're standing only because so we thank you, you made a way. Should have moved out the stars. Yes, you made it. Don't know how, but you did. Don't know how, but you did it. Don't know